Welcome back, everyone. El Paso's new public health director talking about his priorities for the city.
Yeah, Robert, I sat down with him for an interview, and for the first time, we're also hearing him speak publicly about accusations he faced in the county he previously worked in. Take a listen.
Transition's been smooth. Actually, people are very welcoming, very friendly.
Dr. Veerinder Taneja is about 2 months into his new position as El Paso's health director. This after the city had been under the direction of Dr. Hector Ocaranza, serving as interim since 2022. Dr. Taneja's appointment this summer sparked concern after claims about his previous role in Fort Worth's Tarrant County. According to WFAA, Dr. Taneja received a complaint in which at least 16 employees came forward alleging a toxic and hostile work environment.
Yeah, so what I will tell you is that a lot of those things were investigated by HR. They're usually generalized complaints, oh, the environment's not good and so forth. Nothing came of those investigations. Even in the HR report, it said there was no rules that were broken.
Dr. Taneja says he feels he successfully managed disease outbreak in that county to include Zika, Ebola, and COVID. He was in Fort Worth 9.5 years and then resigned.
It was kind of around the time of COVID, so there was a lot of unhappiness across public health in general because of just the stress. In a lot of places after COVID, there was a need for change, and here we are.
Here in El Paso, Taneja says he is ready to move forward and tackle the health issues in our community.
Like many other places, chronic diseases are on the rise, obesity, diabetes, blood pressure. So I want to make sure I, support my team with education, technology, all the tools that they need to deliver these fantastic services into our community.
Saying the border does pose a unique challenge.
The border town assignment is the first one for me. I'm learning a lot about the culture and how everything's sort of intertwined.
And so besides chronic diseases, Dr. Taneja is also pushing for vaccinations. He says a drop in vaccination rates is why diseases that have been gone for many years are making a comeback. Because we are officially in flu season, there is a campaign the city is pushing to get shots to the community for free. I'll put that information in the story on kfoxtv.com.